Take 447. So this is Christmas. I hope you had fun. Another year over, and you want just begun. So this is Christmas. I hope you had fun. Near and the dear one, the old and the young. Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one, without any fear. Dear friends, dear family, dear network, hope you have a wonderful time, all of you, and regardless of your religion and beliefs, I think that we could all learn something from this old guy whose opinion got him shot, and hopefully we get closer together to a society where that does not happen anymore. So with that, I just leave you thoughts with your family, with your friends, and your network, and everything that you want to do. I hope that you get a little closer next year. Happy Christmas, and have a wonderful New Year. Cheers.